It's another day. It's another three things. Karon ang atong paghisgutan is all about retirement. Three things you need to know before retirement. Tara, kuyugi ko. Number one, retirement is a season of stewardship, not just rest. In Psalm 90 verse 12, it says there, "So teach us to number our days, that we may present to you a heart of wisdom." Retirement, wala ni magpasabot na ni hunong naka sa imuhang buluhaton sa imong trabaho na as if wala na lay gyud kay buhaton. Katapusan na sa ato ang purpose aning kalibutan na. No, it's not like that. Retirement is a new assignment for us. It's a season to serve, to become mentors, to be good steward of time, resources, and of course build relationship with eternal impact. It's not just about the resting, but it's about the redeeming of the time. Number two, plan with wisdom, not fear. In Proverbs 27 verse 12, it says here, "A prudent man sees evil and hides. The simple pass on and are punished." Retirement requires intentional preparation. Labi na sa areas sa finances, sa emotion, and labaw sa tanan sa spiritual na bahin. Kaning savings, investing, and simplifying your lifestyle, yes, that's a part of it as part of the preparation for the future coming retirement. But our confidence is not in there. Our confidence is actually on the mission and the vision that God had planted in our hearts. And last, number three, your identity is in Christ, not your career. In Colossians 3 verse 3, it says here, "For you died and your life has been hidden with Christ in God." When work ends, no? Minikabot sa panahon na humanata sa itong trabaho, labi nagwala na gyud tay mga gipa-eskwela. Remember, ang nihunong lang ang atong trabaho. Our worth doesn't end. Your value isn't found in a title or a paycheck, katong time na nag-receive pag ang salary, but our value is found in our relationship with God. Retirement is the perfect time to refocus on what matters the most. So, unsa maning what matters the most? Your faith, your family, and probably the legacy that you are going to leave behind. So, gusto ba ka mo retire with a vision or plano lang? The goal actually isn't to escape work, but to embrace your next God-given purpose in the retirement phase. Till next, bye!